Best location with good price. Best location ever. Staff very friendly, so clean, big room, comfortable. If I had to come back I would choose the same place. The perfect location, service and facilities. Perfect location. From the hotel you can reach pretty much anywhere in Old Town and New Town, and it is a downhill walk. Excellent service and facilities to boot. Thank you for a memorable stay. Perfect location. Room was spacious and very clean. Best part is location to the Royal Mile. Literally steps from all things Edinburgh. Wonderful hotel. This hotel was perfect for visiting Edinburgh. You are close to all the main attractions in Edinburgh. I will also say that the staff are absolutely. They took excellent care of us. Spacious room and great location. During our honeymoon, we stayed at this hotel conveniently situated near Waverley Station, just a 10-minute walk away. It's also close to major attractions and surrounded by numerous cafes. Arriving early at 7:30 a.m., our room wasn't ready, but the reception kindly stored our luggage. We explored the city, and upon returning for check-in, our luggage was already in our room. We'll definitely return and recommend checking out Timberbush for Highland tours, with a pickup point conveniently located around the corner. Perfect location, kind staff. Incredible location right off the Royal Mile and within blocks of the picturesque Victoria Street. The ceilings were tall and the room actually felt quite spacious. Also, great service from the staff. And free laundry. Recommend to anyone staying in Edinburgh. Awesome location. Totally love our stay here. The location is good right next to the new steps leading to New Town. Near to everywhere. We'll stay here again. Great hotel near city center. First of all, the staffs are helpful and friendly. The room is slightly smaller than I expected, but it's clean. Mattress was comfortable and the heater was working fine. Location-wise is very strategic, near many attraction places. However, you need to climb up the stairs to get to the hotel from Waverley Station.